Oh, some Ridgway, Windsor, green and white transfer printed with hand coloured rimmed soup bowls, 9.5 inch. These are the old vintage ones. This pattern was reproduced by Royal Dalton in the 1990s as part of their pattern book revisiting that they undertook. These are absolutely gorgeous though, the original thing, 1940s, 1950s. Windsor design is this sort of Chelsea bird with the floral bouquets, lovely border detailing, and then we've got the hand coloured decoration put on by the Ridgway decorators. These have got a few condition notes on them that we need to bring to your attention with some of these. They have got a minor degree of marking on the actual soup plate bowl surface. And one of them, the last one to be dispatched, has got a little moulding defect just here. You see that? It's not a chip. It's glazed through, but nonetheless, that isn't an absolutely perfect plate. They are vintage, these. As you say, 1940s. You tend to forgive them a little bit on the condition just to try and make up the set, because we've got 5 of these. There's the Ridgway Staffordshire England mark. All colours guaranteed, underglaze and detergent proof. Windsor being the pattern decoration, the floral Ridgway mark there dates these nicely to that period. They're in generally very nice clean condition. We've got 5 of these, as we say, really nice English rim soup bowls. There's the side elevation, not a flat rim as you expect with the soup plates. This is why we call these soup bowls as opposed to plates. Not quite 10.5 inch. These are smaller than that, but nonetheless they display absolutely beautifully. And they're just so quintessentially English Ridgway of the sort of mid 20th century period, in fine condition and very difficult to find in this day and age. So we've got 5 available for sale from Vintage and Antiques website. Follow the links below and that'll take you through to our website listing where they're on sale now. Thanks for watching.